Welcome to Simple Science at Home. I'm Miss Joanne from the Lucy Robbins Wells Library, and I'm here to do some density experiments with you. The first one, we need sugar and water and food coloring. We have 3 glasses here. In the first one, they will get no sugar. In the second, we're going to put 3 tablespoons. 1, 3, and in the third cup, we're going to put 5 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We are going to add a 1/4 cup of water to each. If you need to, you could add a little bit more, but whatever you add, just make it consistent so the experiment stays the same. You're going to need hot water, not boiling, but extremely hot, so make sure you do this with a parent. You're going to take a spoon and you're going to stir it until the sugar is well dissolved. It's going to take a while and you're going to have to stir it continuously, but that's okay, it will dissolve eventually. In the cup with the 5 tablespoons of water, sugar, you're going to put some blue food coloring. In the glass with 3 tablespoons of sugar, you're going to put yellow food coloring. And in the one with just water, you will put some green food coloring. Stir them all and well until all the sugar is dissolved. Now that your sugar is all dissolved and the water has cooled off, we are going to continue by pouring in our small, tall, it's not that tall, there's my finger. If you don't have something this small, that's okay. You could use something bigger. You just might need to make more sugar solution. We're going to pour the blue in about 1/3 full. Then we are going to take our eyedropper and take our sugar solution that has 3 tablespoons of sugar, and very carefully, as close as you can get without touching the blue, you're going to squeeze in the yellow until it's about 2/3 full. Once you get to the point where you have 2/3 full of your blue and your yellow, you're going to switch to the green, which has no sugar at all, and top it off. And there you have the most dense sugar water, less and very little density, so it layers very nicely. For our next density experiment, we're going to take these liquids, pour them into the vase, and see how they layer, because the one with the most density will rest on the bottom and the rest will build to the top, which is the least dense. We have corn syrup, dish soap, water right from the tap, cooking oil, and rubbing alcohol. The water is clear, so we're going to put a little blue dye in it. My dish soap is green, so I'm going to go with the blue. And The rubbing alcohol is clear as well, so I'm going to give it a little red. I'm going to give that a good stir. And now we're going to pour it into the vase and watch a rainbow form. Let's get started. Now, go ahead and try these 2 density experiments at home. Another good one that you could try to layer is oil, water, and vinegar, and see which one is at the bottom, middle, and the least dense at the top. Have fun.